What's up? It's Sunday, July 19th, 2026, 6:58 p.m. And we're here at Festival Plaza. And the weather is amazing. Great weather today. And the weather is right now, let's do a weather check. 79 degrees right now. So we're going to stroll around here today. Check the place out. It's been a while since we've been over this way. So let's just stroll around. Let's go.
They're really good at baseball. Yeah. and they manufacture like really good. It's hard. They got Goku in the store over there.
Looks like a lot of people in this store here. Let's stroll around here for a second. Yeah, this store is pretty jumping. It's pretty busy. This store is pretty busy today. They got a lot of toys here. It's like a kind of like a toy store, but they got makeup and all kinds of other stuff too. So it's like a kind of a convenience store a little bit, but also like a toy store. So they have a lot of mix-up things here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Not a bad spot. A lot of wild stuff here. Like over here. This is pretty cool. Merry-go-rounds and things like that. Kind of wild.
That's so funny.
¿Demoramos mucho o estuvo bien?
Just a nice relaxing day today. The weather is super awesome. Feels good to be just walking around outside.
HeyTea's right here, Molly Tea's right over there. Molly? Yeah! This is the place.
Wow, HeyTea is so packed. Whoa! Very busy HeyTea. Oh, wow. It's so busy you can't even get in there. Wow.
Because of the characteristics that you have to stop.
Pretty insane. I think this might be the most busy I've seen it.
Against the king or
I've seen this place very busy before. Let's peek in the window. Wow, yeah, it's very busy in here. Whoa. There's a lot of people in here. Wow. We can maybe slip through here. Wow. It is packed in there. Whoa, I can't even really get in.
Your socks it up. Have you heard of this? Hey, puppy. Cool puppies. I like one.
So yeah, the bubble teas are pretty busy. No problem. All good. You coming out?
Thank you.
All good. No problem. All good. Coming in? You got it. Oh, okay.
Watch me step outside and get instantly be friends.
Thank you.
괜찮네.
All right, Chinatown, New Jersey, Edison, New Jersey, Chinatown, Koreatown, Festival Plaza.